And there are new developments in the fight over masks in Dallas County. Tonight, an appeals court sided with Judge Clay Jenkins, allowing his order to stand, at least for now. But Attorney General Ken Paxton immediately appealed to the Texas Supreme Court. Paxton and Governor Abbott are fighting to overturn Dallas County's requirement that everyone in schools and businesses mask up. They argue Jenkins overstepped his authority. Just today, there has been a lot of legal back and forth on this. So how does this end and when? Earlier tonight, I got some insight from legal expert Chad Ruback. So, Chad, I'm really happy to talk to you today because I'm not an attorney, and I thought my head was going to explode this afternoon as all these decisions were coming in. We have these different cases in different parts of the state with different outcomes today. Is that how this is likely to proceed in the coming days?
Yes. We have 254 counties in Texas, and on unusual issues like this where there is not well-settled law, we might very well have 254 different decisions, some varying slightly and some varying tremendously.
It is mind-boggling to think about that. We have some mask orders here from school districts, cities, and counties. These often overlap. How does that figure into the legal strategy?
I think ultimately these are decisions that are going to need to be made by the Texas Supreme Court. Obviously, a case can't begin before the Texas Supreme Court, but if we have differing decisions from different judges in different counties, ultimately the only way to have statewide uniformity is to have the Texas Supreme Court consider this case and tell everybody what's the right way and what's the wrong way to deal with this.
So in your mind, all of these cases are heading to the same place?
Either that or potentially the Supreme Court could take one of these cases and issue a ruling that provides direction, provides instruction, that dispose of all these cases. For example, if there's one case out of Dallas that the Texas Supreme Court decides to issue a decision on, and the Texas Supreme Court provides enough guidance in that decision to direct all the other courts statewide as to how they need to be dealing with similar cases, the Texas Supreme Court won't need to actually consider all those cases individually. If they issue a global decision on one case that's broad enough to instruct all the judges statewide, that's all they'll need to do. There are judges on the Supreme Court who might not agree with one another, but ultimately they will vote, they will come up with a decision, and their decision, their majority decision, will be the law of the state of Texas.
Chad Ruback, thank you so much for helping us understand this today. We really appreciate it.
You're welcome. Thanks so much for having me.